Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ngut Shipai jong ke Indian Army ke Raja Rngai. Namar ke Jingshah Rong ke Ktem Shipai ke Harshil Army Camp ke badan Hakashnong Dharali ha Uttarakhand. Ke Army ke la pentik na bagla pha Chispa san phongut ke Shipai hapo ke Jingalam jong Colonel Harshvardhan Budu Commanding Officer jong ke 14 Rajrev Battalion balet wa de ke Shipai ke baja bat kumjuru ye ki rupat ba. Haduk menta ke Shipai ke la yo ban pelat ar phongut ki rupat ba ke besakut hapadeng ke Jingshah Kishipai ke lapentip bahaduk menta kendangut kishipai ke dang jar ngai bat ke syam jing bantur banlai wa yaki namar ke jing thiar palat ulap ba. Dirang ba ka Uttarakhand upushkar sing dhami ulapentip bagakin hon yarap jong ke SDRF NDRF bagikin hon yarap naga district kidang bun kam banwa yaki beri ke beja bat ban yarap yaki beri ke badan kam jing yarap kerki. Kelas apriang ke video ke bara ishir ke bako Umsaw ke lawan Rong kinsan ni kashnong bat kelarat naphang yaki ying kesem jong ki bril nduk ki hotel ki guest house ki restaurant bat layo iru ha ke video baki bril ke layam mare sharum shaneng ban letri ndekim la pet show namar ke jing stat palat ke
नीचे निकलो नीचे निकलो तो सामने टूटा हुआ घर दिख रहा है उससे पहले तक थी जलजिले का असर था लेकिन रास्ते बनते
At about 13:45 hours, a mudslide and an avalanche struck village Harali, which is around 4 kilometers north of Harsil, along the Gangotri axis. Indian Army column, being the closest in Harsil camp, was the first to respond and reach the location within 10 minutes of the incident. Rescue operations are underway. Until now, around 20 people have been rescued, of which those who are injured are receiving treatment in the battalion MI room. Unfortunately, sometime after that, the mudslide and cloudburst also struck the Indian Army camp and portion of our rescue columns. Despite the same, the Indian Army is resolute in its endeavour to carry out rescue operations and assist the local populace. Hello Harsh, go ahead.
Yeah, I am Colonel Harshvardhan, leading the flood rescue column here at Dharali village since yesterday afternoon, after the village was hit by a massive mudslide and flash flood. The column strength we have here is around 150. And since yesterday afternoon, we have been rescuing the villagers, taking them to safety. The number of missing persons is still unknown. However, the relief efforts have continued throughout the night. And in the morning, we are still trying to rescue people and take them to safety. The army camp also was hit by a massive mudslide and a flash flood yesterday in the afternoon. We are trying to establish the connectivity and carry on with the efforts.
Pidan dukan marbam, ndai. Compare laka bered, kapa pidi harut surok ni kabahe, kum ki restaurant, bat kiway, ni pishat roti, shat kiek, bat kiway, nakabenta ka koi kakya jongi pat ba nong bam nong di. Pat ba pinyo ka Jingshah naki, pidan kam bandon deka license ka papaka, ka bala itu da ka an, kata ka Food Safety and Standards Act arajar henril, link ba ka section lai puway iway. Kam de ka ba ba pinyo ka license, pila ba na apply ka online link ba ka website foscas.fssai.gov.in da ka ba pihap pan upload ru, ikot kisla badan kam, kat kum ka judging kam jong pi. Pila banyak kendo, yang designated officers lani food safety officers, kebadan hak office terekam Jong-u lani ke district medical and health officer habarok ke district kebadan hamigalaya, latno tang is kasihers. Pila benlet bed syak office terekam Jongki ke commissionerate of food safety kebadan halowa lachumya. Nakabenta ke kot kakya kinong bam nong di. Lawan Rashapi, dekat Commissionerate of Food Safety, Government of Meghalaya, Bat Balakershan, dekat Food Safety and Standards Authority of India.